Over the summer, Blair's building had 5 major changes. Rooms 310 and 312 were combined to make a large chemistry lab. The interior and exterior were repainted. The teal ceiling tiles were replaced. 4 new outdoor portables were added, and the parking lot was repainted so students can actually park between the lines.
We talked to Mrs. Johnson, Ms. Philman, and students to get some inside opinions.
Every 20 years in Montgomery County Public Schools, schools get repainted.
For whatever reason, Blair had some pretty interesting original colors that really had nothing to do with school spirit or school pride. Our mission in picking the colors that we did was to soften it up and to focus on being a Blair Blazer. We literally went around to different parts of the building and painted samples to see how they looked in the lighting.
We have a red, we have a metro gray, and like a snow glow, a lighter gray.
I like the red walls.
The white paint in the main hallway makes the whole building look much bigger.
In addition to the fresh wall paint, Blair also had the opportunity to replace the ceiling tiles.
Now, down Blair Boulevard, we no longer have the teal green leaky tiles that are stained. We have fresh, brand new white ones. It looks better, but it also lightens up all the floors and hallways in the main hallway.
I think the teal or the green or whatever, I think it was pretty ugly. I think it brings a lot more life to the school, the white and the red.
I think it makes the building look more put together.
They look so much better.
To create more learning spaces for our Blazers, Blair gained 4 brand new portables on the Colesville side of the building, making our grand total 18.
I have a class in the portables and I think they're pretty nice. The only downside is that it's kind of far to walk to in between classes.
Thanks, Blazers. Stay tuned for a tour of the new chemistry lab in the coming weeks. We hope you enjoy Blair's new look.